All right, so you bought all the big gifts that you need for this year, but you're looking for some stocking stuffers or a few more things to add under the tree that don't break the bank. In today's video, we're gonna be going over items that are under $35. And to spice this video up a bit, I've got a awesome holiday jacket back here that my wife bought for me at Walmart. We'll put that on and then check this out right here. Beard ornaments and lights. That's right. I've got ornaments for my beard. So we'll be putting these on, have a little fun with this video, and we'll go through the things that I've picked out for this video, so stay tuned. All right, let's get this thing on. You definitely need a more manly beard than mine because these things are not staying in very well. I only have about half of them in too, but oh, yeah, they keep falling out. So, and some of them are kind of painful. So let's go ahead. We're just gonna leave that one out. Oh, check out the jacket too. Let's turn this puppy on. Is it glowing? Can you see it? Yep. Jacket glows too. So, okay, we are now decked out as Christmassy as I want to get this year. These things are kind of driving me crazy. If I can find them online, I'll link them below so you guys can check them out if you guys want to buy these for anyone that you may know with a beard. But let's get to the list and take a look at some either stocking stuffers or just extra things that you need under the tree. I will have links below for everything that I am going to talk about. So if you guys don't want to watch this whole video, you can just jump down there and check out the links to everything. Those are affiliate links, so I do appreciate if you guys use those. I also have a couple bonus things at the end that we're going to talk about that are a little bit over the $35 price range, but I think are definitely worth mentioning. With that said, let's get started. All right, so the first few things I have on the list here are typically things that everyone's going to have and mention. This is going to be the Google Nest Mini. This is on sale for $25, but this is the Google Assistant that you can get for managing your smart home. So this is Google's voice assistant. $25 is a fantastic price. Normally it is $50. Next, we're gonna take a look at the all-new Echo Dot. So they redesigned it this year. It's more of a ball shape than a hockey puck shape than it was last year. At first, I didn't like the look of it, but now that I have one and I've tested it out and used it, it just sounds so much better. And the shape of this one is actually growing on me. So I will link that video above if you guys want to check out a little bit more about this product right here. Next up, if you want something that's just even cheaper, we have got the Echo Flex. So this is coming in at only $10. The speaker on it is horrible, but what I like about this device right here is that there are no cables. You can plug this in a garage, in a kitchen, and you're not gonna have a bunch of cables on the countertop. So this is a great device to have an Echo in a room without having a bunch of cables connected to it. Now, in addition to this device right here, you can get add-on devices. So this one is a clock. We've also got a motion sensor, and then we've also got the smart nightlight. So these are things you can add on to the Echo Flex if you want to get a little bit more functionality out of it. Next up on the list, we've got the Roku Premiere. So this is not only in HD, but it does 4K streaming. Great price right here at $27. All right, next up, we have got a outlet. So this is not a smart outlet, but what I like about this outlet right here is that it does have USB charging capability. So if you want to use the outlet and plug in a couple of phones or tablets or anything that needs a USB charger, you can pick up this guy right here. All you have to do is plug it in and it gets you 3 plugs plus 2 USB. Next thing that I wanted to show you was that if you have a new Apple phone that did not come with a charging brick this year, this is going to be a great option for you. This is from Anker and it is their upgraded version. It is a 20-watt version. So that is the same that Apple sells for their charging brick. 20 watts here, you can pick this up for $17 and it is USB-C. So it is gonna work with the cable that you got with your phone. In addition to charging bricks, we have also got a wireless charger. This is also from Anker because they just make some great products right here, but this is a wireless charger. This is a 15 watt, which is fantastic. It's gonna work with not only the new iPhones, but also the Samsung phones that have wireless charging. And this is just gonna be a fantastic pickup right here. The next thing that I wanted to talk about is smart outlets. So We talked about the one before, not a smart outlet. This one is actually a smart outlet. And what I like about this one from iHome is that it works with the Amazon environment, the Google environment, and it also works with Apple's HomeKit. So this just makes it super versatile that you can use it in any of your smart home automation that you have. You can use voice control with it, and it's nice and thin that even though it's going to take up one of your plugs, but it's going to leave the other one open so you can still use it. But if we take a look, this one's coming in at about $24. An even cheaper version, if you are okay not using Apple's HomeKit, I would recommend the Wyze plugs. So this one, you're getting 2 plugs for $20, so about $10 a piece. It does work with Amazon and Google environments, and this is just a fantastic product. I do have a handful of these. These are probably my go-to for smart plugs around my house. You can pick this one up at the Home Depot website. But speaking of Wyze, I also recommend picking up the Wyzecam pan. I do know some people who have this camera. They said that they leave that automatic pan and tilt turned off, but it's a nice to have feature when they want to go in and pan around the room to check out where their pets are, that this is a great product right here. You can pick up this 1080p camera for $30, and that is going to be on Wyze's website. Well, in addition to the Wyzecam pan, Wyze is also coming out with their new Wyzecam version 3. So I do want to mention for this one right here, it is still in pre-order. You can still pick up the Wyzecam version 2, but I would recommend waiting for the version 3. You can pre-order those right now for $20, and they are shipping in January. So you won't get it in time for the holidays, but this is an honorable mention that I wanted to bring up if you guys are looking for cheap security cameras. And sticking with the Wyze theme, because they just have so many great affordable products, this one right here is also an honorable mention because they've got this awesome package right here. This is their Wyze Sense. So the Wyze Sense has a motion sensor, it has 2 door and window sensors, and then it's got this little bridge right here that you see on the right hand side, and then it comes with a camera. So all of that for $47. You do have to have a camera to use their motion sensor and the door and window sensor, but this is a great buy right here. And another thing that I would recommend checking out, and as far as I know, this is a Home Depot exclusive only, and I love this price right here, is that Wyze has a starter bundle. So if you are looking to get into smart home tech and you want to get just a handful of stuff at a fantastic price, this one right here is the Wyze bundle. It comes with 3 light bulbs, you get 2 of the plugs, you get a motion sensor, 2 door and window sensors, you got the bridge and the camera. All of this right here is normally $100. You can pick it up right now on sale at Home Depot, $50. Now I know this is over the $35 price range. This is just an honorable mention because this is such a great deal. If you're looking to get into smart home stuff, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. All right, I got a couple more things here. This is just a great find that I thought. This is actually the mouse that I've been using. I bought this mouse like, I don't know, 4 or 5 years ago now. I think I paid $100 for it. This mouse right now is on sale for $30. If you're looking for a new mouse, we got a lot of people working from home now. This is a fantastic pickup right here. The colors do change on the mouse, so mine is constantly rotating every few seconds. It's just rotating through the color wheel. At this price right here, it might be worth buying another one just to have and carry with my laptop right here. And the last thing that I wanted to mention here, not smart home related at all, but I just thought was a pretty good deal, were some headphones. I know, like I mentioned, a lot of people are working from home. Now, I know these are gaming headphones, but you can use these for Zoom calls or any kind of calls that you have. It does have a nice mic on there, and these headphones you can pick up for $30. Pretty good deal right there. I want to thank you guys for joining me here in this video. I'm gonna have links for everything below. If you guys have not checked out my Amazon store yet, you can check that out. I will link that at the top of everything, and that is just gonna have a list of all the deals that I'm finding. I'm going to categorize everything, but I'd recommend checking that out for some extra gift ideas. I want to thank you guys for joining me here in this video. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Oh, ugh, ouch. It's hot. Why did I put a jacket on? Whew.